Mimi, it's Children's Day. I must go out and play today. Not just one piglet, another shows up. You little rascal. Stay inside, look. See? Ran off again. Oh my, the little prince went home. This bunny got away. That little bunny, our Chi baby ran out. Look at Chi, it's supposed to be your holiday, but you keep causing trouble. Little rascal Chi, sweetie. Munching on leeks and grazing on grass. Finally caught our little Chi baby. Chi baby. Come down safely now. Need a spanking? Brat. Xian. You're getting a spanking. It's raining. Oh no. Little troublemaker. 7 o'clock. Sweetie. She can't go down anymore. Right. I went in, couldn't find you. Ugh, you little rascal. Ran to Hunan. Stinky baby.